Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Today I'm here at my friend's garage and the plan is to change the antifreeze and the servo oil, power steering fluid. So my plan for changing the power steering fluid is to remove the return line that is somewhere under this reservoir. For that I would like to remove this reservoir so I have easier access and you can see better, and lift the car up in the air on this elevator and then move the wheels left to right until most of the fluid is out. Here. And by the way, I'm going to take all the fluid out from this reservoir so it doesn't spill while I take off the lower hose. Here I start by removing the coolant reservoir that is held in by one screw, where you will need a number 10 socket. By the way, you can check the description for tools, parts and social media links. I also have an Instagram account where you can follow me for more frequent updates. Now I'm sucking out all the old power steering fluid from the reservoir so it doesn't drip everywhere. So there's that clip down there. Basic idea about the hoses. So this is the feed line. I'm presuming it is because it's wider or larger diameter, and the smaller one is the return line. So what I want to do is, if you can see there, that's the clip that I want to pull off. I can't really reach. By the way, many mechanics don't really do it this way because they're afraid the hose will split. Yeah, they are mostly right because these hoses are really old and brittle. So I really hope that in my case the hose won't split. So yeah. Oh yeah, and another thing, why this one is the feed line and this one is the return line. If you can see, there's like a funnel thingy here, and the other one goes up. So that's another way you can know which one is the feed or return line. Okay, so I got pissed off and I removed the whole reservoir. I don't really have too much fluid in it, so it doesn't matter. And I did get the clip off and just pull it up and it will come out because it's held in place by 3 of these clips, pretty much, yeah. Hopefully you can see. And I'm going to attempt to twist the hose and loosen it up. Hopefully it will work. Yeah, I had to use a pair of pliers. Doesn't seem like it. Anyway, I do have the possibility of cutting the part of the hose in case it's splitting. But goddamn, this is baked on here. Okay, be right back. So this is where at. There is some power steering fluid leaking from there. That's why I have the rug, and I want to keep this in an upright position, after which I'm going to stick it into a PET bottle and I will move the wheels, and it should pump out. Maybe I should get it lower. So I'm going to feed it through the engine bay, lift the car up with the lift, and actually let me show you how this thing works. This is a pump and the button to start it. Those 2 clicks were from what do you call these, safety hooks, pretty much. that's that, and now I'm going to let the elevator down on the safety hooks by pushing this. And now it's secure. Okay, so let's see where I can feed that. Looks like about there. So here we have it. I zip tied the bottle to the tube. Zip ties, a lonely mechanic's best friend. And now I will move the wheels. Let's see. And I'm going to keep doing this until nice and clean power steering fluid will come out of the tube. By the way, I'm going to fill it with new power steering fluid. So I did start and stop the engine about 2 times, and if you can see, there is already clean fluid coming out of the hose. So that means we flushed the whole system. Now, yeah, so starting the engine, well, it's pretty dangerous because it pretty much instantly pulls all the fluid out of this container or reservoir, and you can get air into the system. So anyway, I'm going to put back the return hose. So now that we're done, everything is back in its place. Did put the hose back, the clamp back on it, and I did fill up to max. And now I will start the engine. Hopefully new fluid will go through the whole system. And the color of the fluid is this bluish greenish color. This is what I'm using. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helped. That's why I'm doing them. And I would like to ask you please subscribe and press that notification bell. And have a nice day. And free out.